This is a little bit of a different kind of video. I'm just at the range tonight. I'm meeting my friend Dale here. We might do a little bit of a game night. Let's head over there. All right, first game is we're gonna try and hit that red pin right there. It's probably 76 yards away. Dale's first.
All right, now we got Cole.
Oh, I love it. Wait, you can see Double D hit it here in a second.
Honestly, I'm not even putting that in the video.
This after I got up this morning and I got
Over.
I'm like 400.
Oh, that looks pretty good.
Wait, can you see?
Hit it.
Can you see?
Oh!
Can you see Dale? He just hit the target. Do it again.
Bro. Yeah, we'll keep it going if you hit it.
Cameras are on him. Here we go. He's hitting the red target out there. Is it 3 in a row?
Oh,
3 in a row.
2 in a row.
Bang.
Stop
Hear
it.
that bang?
3 in a row.
I say, you know, Mom was a bad. I go, you know, later you would have a great day and stuff like this. And I walked out to, I walked out and by the kitchen table.
Oh, do it.
There's a
Hold it.
box.
Oh.
There you go.
Oh my God.
It's, how much?
Oh, do it again. Oh.
Right
A
at
foot short. Our second game here is going to be a stinger challenge. I guess this is the first person to hit one, but we got to do long drive after this because I know Dale's going to win this one. Yeah, well, I don't know how to do that.
That's the face. At impact, it has to be like that. Ooh!
Well, what's wrong with it is the bullets that kept missing it.
Getting those shots.
Time for long drive.
Fairway is between that sign right here and that sign right there.
Because I can't. They actually pulled the house down to shut up. I couldn't believe it.
Oh!
Oh no, it's out.
But it's
Ah,
It's out.
it's out.
he knocks the shit out of it here. Say what?
I don't think that one stayed in.
What's that?
Oh, nice.
Oh, the chicken.
Safe 250.
That wasn't 250.
I kept that thing pretty straight. Straight for me.
Once they scared to death, so you're shitting your pants. You got. I never understood.
Oh, little left.
Is that what they were charging? I bought them before this bullshit came out. It was last week. I bought them.
That's 2 bullets dodged.
Yeah, Mom said, look, that's nice, dude. Yeah, that's.
Damn, it was right down the middle, but
I don't think it was longer than yours.
$9 for 18 eggs.
That was probably like 220. Maybe.
that's a dub.
They're paying $9.
Oh, that looks good.
Oh gosh, that's right at it.
Everything's all.
Oh.
Oh my. That's it, guys.